Want to get started with ActiveCampaign but don't know where to begin? In this quick guide, I'll show you the essential features you need to build and manage your email marketing system. First, you can manually add contacts by going to Contacts, clicking Add a Contact, and entering details like their email, name, and phone number. If you have a large list, use the Import option to upload a CSV or Excel file and map your columns to the correct fields. You can organize contacts using tags, segments, and custom fields. Tags help identify contacts. Segments let you create groups based on specific conditions, and custom fields allow you to store information like company names, birthdays, or product preferences. Next, create a form under Website and Forms. Add the fields you need, customize the design, choose what happens after submission, and then use the Integrate option to add the form to your website. You can also create landing pages under Website and Pages. Choose a template, customize it with your content and call to action, add a form if needed, and publish the page. For email marketing, go to Email or Campaigns and create a new campaign. Choose your audience, add your subject line and sender details, then design the email using the drag-and-drop email designer. Preview and test it before sending or scheduling. Finally, use automations to make your marketing run automatically. Choose a trigger, such as a form submission or new tag, then add actions like sending emails, waiting for a specific period, or using conditions to create different customer journeys. You can also connect tools like Shopify, use ActiveCampaign's API for custom integrations, and export your contacts whenever you need a backup or data transfer. With these features, you can build a complete system for collecting leads, organizing contacts, sending emails, and automating your marketing all from one platform.